Adasa yekura yesremfo kura yeba hu se NPP na ye party papa yekura yesremfo na ye di NDC
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betimi the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
Adasa yekura yesremfo kura yeba hu se NPP na ye party papa yekura yesremfo na ye di NDC trial forma no yeba hu se NDC ye party fo NDC ye party bi enye party kura ni pese o join na ye yatima sesen ya dwena ba NPP a na mu asentefo ma dwane asako NDC NDC se omu yusu omu se mu nsase no omu tu gold omu kuro mu no mu baka ya shutu omu the soldiers were to gold no mu bana sa mu ba demonstration ya shutu nine o ma jam okura munya wo hwe NDC munya wo hwe we de mu bo hu no we kitikiti aka 2 years ne we just the beginning. We have no more chance here. I come 1 year, no more for opposition. So don't move us that to go no. I come 1 year, not so move for opposition. Almost to go now, but Paja one and another on them no. Almost Pajana Kosia Bonti, no more to go to one and another them. Oh, say yes, I chin you. Yakase NDC ni NPP ni we are Sentinia. Obakwa wura NPP. Yes, Focus say you are free NDC. Jaba NPP. Now who asem say NDC for we say una na nom say and na wontimi nkasa wa pia ba na wo pa NDC for what? Kay NPP time ka wa pie hey yampini because when say NPP wontimi nya ohwe. NPP for munye criminals. NPP for munye wudifo. NPP for wontimi mfa. Come on, NDC wudi agura. Asia osueni na wo ekulasi na oye ekulasi djuma no koko asema osueni bakan ye the police ye the criminals ye the wudifo atrete osueni they say osueni ndimi nkasa on social media but NPP time osueni can be bia ope osueni ye politics etia akufado onim say NPP ba NDC ba na obanya yabato koko 60 million NDC ba na obato koko 70 million NDC ba ya omuti koko so a osueni ko kan ye ko mu wakunu o waku osueni pie mi pacho o mu peso e ba ne say me check NDC rough me NDC on ko ma fix Ghana ka me free NDC because me yada o mu vem no me pe o mu vem no uya uya hey uya Mas NDC for como onyansa te say NPP for on como ma fix Ghana because mu Ghana for ma so den mu pe party te say NDC ma pumo ma se sabo ne ma na mu dwane si ya Hey, Ghana. Yo commencé c'est renwes commencé amon fa se so mo ne ma o ma so mo ne ma o dwane enti o mo de soldier for shimo bonko mo bo kura so esri wo de monsa kokromoti power akofo jo ma asaba oman nim munya wo hwe yesi anoma bia obo fransuo no anoma bia obo tena se aka se nsuo nto no nsuo no be wie no so anoma te samuti Ghana wona se musi nDC na mo pa moko vote ama nDC mo na be wie mo so mo ya kachire mo maso odin mu ntie ese papa bia bo osu wose bebe wate na wo for 30 years se wo ko 80 years ya bobubu ni dan woni bebe kura obada NPP omum bubu because NPP for bo huni mun mobo NPP for na bobo hu mun mobo amamo ye juma kakra nDC they will chase you guys they will chase you all bro with beating oba chase you
obeti atechem wo suro se obekoti bi amanfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka Ghana for one my sense form papa one my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya adaje ko sell lie eto Amasaman because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. Ema wu jade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. Ema ye vote ma wo ma obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se who betwa 12 good years who to me nyehwe who promises and kokon ketenkete omo adwane and confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina kokofu a who promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo ba ya wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he efiri kwa me kruma time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri oso nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto ebi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nyehwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro esa wo pad saka wide wo se pad na be ye bibia mo took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo koye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia yede ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni na me yama mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Just and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. This is a scan of Canada was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals are most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors who some are comfort. You see, any Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian kana no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko into with asofo no with the greatest of respect. Omo nko into ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nko into ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nko into ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nko into ne nko nyina ho. Obian kana no into ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obesi ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open nkete. Nancy Bibi na kasa de sebi ye bibia yan kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibia ye bia invest square yan kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same credit. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kitinkiti. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open kitinkiti. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu akire me na wo ne wo sia akire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Regr3t B ma so o mema us come to boot one ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Regr3t B mama ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government etimi
Say dear ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for troye about council of state member voter region. Now me say fiams hey Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.